The Genesis Blood Collection Mixer, model CM735A, is a multifunction automated electronic rocking digital scale designed to provide users with safe, precise, and accurate whole blood collections. The device is programmed to automatically mix anticoagulant and whole blood during the collection process. The Genesis Mixer has audible alarms to advise phlebotomists when they should check the donation process or take specific actions to ensure proper collection. Its precise and accurate digital weight sensor enables the Genesis Mixer to aid in the reduction of incomplete draws and provides a more standardized collection process. All units come with a rechargeable battery and protective carrying case. The compact design enables the Genesis Mixer to be effectively used for both fixed site and mobile blood collections. All Genesis blood collection mixers are equipped with a durable carrying case, removable mixer tray, main operating unit, individual battery charger, rechargeable nickel-cadmium battery, AC power adapter, and a user manual. A portable stand specifically designed for the Genesis Mixer can be purchased separately. The assembly of the Genesis Mixer is quite simple. The Genesis Mixer can operate using either AC power or battery. The AC power adapter cord plugs into the opening marked Adapter In, located at the rear of the device. To operate using battery power, place the battery pack into the battery compartment door, located at the rear side of the device. Be sure to insert the battery pack with the arrows facing the mixer. To recharge the battery pack, insert it into the individual charger with the arrows pointing towards the unit. The supplied AC power adapter is used as an electrical source for the battery charger. The power cord fits into the charger and plugs directly into an electric wall outlet. A yellow indicator light remains lit while the battery pack is in the charger. It takes approximately 10 hours to charge a fully depleted battery pack. Please note, there is no danger in overcharging the battery pack. Now, you are ready to set up your mixer. Place the mixer tray onto the magnetic tray mount. The mixer tray is symmetrical and very easy to mount. Notice the 4 slots on either side of the mixer tray. The purpose of these slots is to anchor the blood bag tubing during the donor draw. To operate your Genesis Mixer, press the blue power button and observe the following. An audible alarm will sound. The mixer tray will rock once. The LCD panel will display a 30-second countdown. During this stage, the Genesis Mixer is completing a self-diagnostic process, which involves the stabilization of the weight sensing circuits. Do not place anything on the mixer tray during the 30-second countdown. The red LED on the front panel illuminates. Once the countdown is complete, the LCD panel will display both 0 grams and the default target volume 450 milliliters or 500 milliliters. A daily weight verification is recommended at the beginning of each day to assure weight sensor accuracy. The following steps should be conducted to perform the weight verification procedure. As soon as the Genesis Mixer is powered on and the 30-second countdown is complete, place a known 500-gram weight on the center of the mixer tray. Observe the weight displayed on the LCD panel. If the weight displayed is 499, 500, or 501 grams, the Genesis Mixer is within acceptable range. If the weight falls outside the acceptable range, the Genesis Mixer must be calibrated and an adjustment is needed. To calibrate the Genesis Mixer, the power must be turned off. Remove the mixer tray from the tray mount. Next to the tray mount, a small white hole plug will be visible. Remove this hole plug. A tiny screw will be visible. This is called a potentiometer. Using a small flathead screwdriver, carefully turn the potentiometer clockwise to increase or counterclockwise to decrease the value. Please be aware that only a slight turn will be needed. Do not force the potentiometer screw, for this will damage both the potentiometer and the load cell. Replace the hole plug and the mixer tray and turn the power on. Repeat the weight check procedure and the calibration adjustment procedure as necessary. Once all ranges are calibrated and are within operating specifications, the Genesis mixer is ready for collection. Place the blood collection set on the mixer tray. All satellite bags and filters should be placed on the mixer tray, positioning the primary collection bag on top. The LCD panel registers the weight of the collection set in grams. Thread segment tubing through a tray slot and then through the tube clamp located at the side of the Genesis mixer. Press the yellow clamp button. Visually inspect tubing to ensure it is properly clamped. Select the target collection volume using either the preset button or the up-down arrow keys. The arrow keys increase and decrease the target collection volume in increments of 5 milliliters. Press the green Start button to begin the collection process. Observe the LCD display. Initial weight in grams tears to 0. Measurement is now in milliliters. Bleed appears in the display panel, and the Genesis mixer begins its mixing cycle. The mixing cycle consists of 3 rocks with a 2-second pause in between. The pause enables the weight to be converted accurately into milliliters. The change in net collected volume then appears on the LCD display. This conversion from weight to volume is done by dividing the weight in grams by the specific gravity of blood. The Genesis mixer detects if the flow rate is below 30 milliliters per minute. This may occur if the segment tubing becomes kinked or if a problem exists within the venipuncture site. If this occurs, an audible alarm is activated and alarm will appear in the display panel. This feature helps prevent a lost collection due to a QNS unit. After the flow rate is adjusted, the slow flow alarm will terminate and the collection will resume. The blue time button displays the elapsed time of the donation. Please note that this button can be used at any time during the collection. Near the end of a collection, the mixing cycle will stop 20 milliliters before reaching the target volume. This enhanced feature provides a precise, accurate weight measurement. Once the target volume is achieved, the clamp automatically closes, an audible alarm is activated, bleed end appears in the LCD panel, and the red LED light will flash. The Genesis mixer will continue to mix, and the end alarm will sound every 60 seconds. To terminate the collection, press the red end button. The mixer tray will stop rocking, the audible alarm is silenced, and the red LED stops flashing. The LCD displays the total weight in grams, including everything on the tray. This value includes the collection set, filters, and anticoagulant from the initial tear, plus the whole blood volume collected. Once the discontinuation procedure is complete, press the yellow clamp button to open the clamp and remove the tubing. Remove the collection set from the mixer tray. You are now ready to begin the collection process again with a new donor.